Once upon a time, there was a young monk named June who was on a journey to find his true self. He had been traveling for many years, and he had met many different people along the way. Some of these people had been kind and helpful, but others had been fake and manipulative. One day, June was walking through the forest when he came across a group of people. The people were arguing about something, and June stopped to listen. "I don't trust him," said one of the people. "He's not a real friend." "I know," said another person. "He's just using us." June listened to the people argue, and he realized that they were talking about his friend, Kai. Kai was a charming and charismatic young man, but June had always had a feeling that he was not to be trusted. June decided to confront Kai about what he had heard. He found Kai sitting by himself in the forest, and he asked him about the accusations that had been made against him. Kai denied everything. He said that he was a true friend to everyone, and that he would never do anything to hurt anyone. June was not convinced, but he decided to give Kai the benefit of the doubt. June and Kai continued on their journey together, but June never forgot what he had heard. He kept an eye on Kai, and he soon began to see that Kai was not the person he had thought he was. Kai was always looking for ways to take advantage of people, and he was not above lying and cheating to get what he wanted. One day, June and Kai were walking through a dangerous part of the forest when they were attacked by bandits. June was outnumbered and outmatched, but he fought bravely. Kai, on the other hand, ran away and left June to fight alone. June was eventually able to defeat the bandits, but he was badly injured. He knew that he would not be able to make it out of the forest on his own, so he called out for Kai. Kai did not come. He had abandoned June to die. June was devastated. He had thought that Kai was his friend, but Kai had proven to be nothing more than a fake. June realized that he had been lucky to escape with his life, and he vowed never to trust anyone again. June limped out of the forest and continued on his journey. He was now more determined than ever to find his true self. He knew that he could not rely on anyone else, but he also knew that he was strong enough to face whatever challenges came his way. So what we learn from the story is: it is important to be careful who you trust. Not everyone who is friendly to you is a true friend. True friends are the ones who are there for you no matter what. They are the ones who will help you through the tough times. Fake friends, on the other hand, will only use you and then abandon you when you need them most. If you want to find true friends, look for people who are honest, supportive, and loyal. These are the people who will be there for you through thick and thin. If you learned something valuable from this story, do like, subscribe and comment on the video.